an orangutan. Look at them company trying to get top of the boss with a lot of mediocrity. Stalking the properties. Wanna get off of my monopoly. Tell me who is the one they call Socrates. It's been a wreck.
Round two.
The head-on collision was in effect from a deck. The other side is a curse. They have a lot of regrets. My creation is shaking the planet Earth. Everybody better. Any opposition. So don't you make a mistake with the Yates. Get some kind of escape. You better hurt.
双方各最后一招。OK， 双方握手。来 ，Delta 男力组左边。